Hi, in this video tutorial we will learn how to change the biography and Facebook status on our smartphone. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We are waiting for app to open, after which we go to the upper right corner and click on the three dots. Click on the See Your Profile button. Here we see the Edit Profile button. Click here. We go down below and see the Bio block. Here we can tell about ourselves using 101 characters. Let's say I write I'm boy, I like study. Let it be so. Then we press to the save button. Then we wait a little. And thus we made a status and we can see it on our page. I'm boy, I like study. The status was set and everything is good. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.